Good morning. This is 1st June 2023 and another fresh month. So as we can see here, Bank Nifty has opened in a gap of almost, the pre-market is at around 43 points up. So we can see that it is at 44,176. Let's see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. So I'm expecting a drop in the first 15 minutes in the market. So if Bank Nifty drops down, then we can expect 44,000 as an intraday support. If that is broken, then 43,795 or yesterday's low. And if that is also broken, then yesterday's the trend line which has been respected in the previous days, if that is respected, then from there we'll see a fly towards the upside. So this is the view for the day. Exactly as I said, market opened and it is a drop of almost 100 points. That is it's more than 100 points. It's a drop of more than 100 points. So if this candle is like a Marubosu or it has a very good thick body or a long body, then we would see Bank Nifty further falling down to any of these levels in the first 30 minutes. So I hope we'll plot a trend line which starts from here. Yep. So we have plotted a trend line, and let's see if the trend line is being respected in intraday. So the third candle is also showing some sketchy. Third candle is also in a sketchy situation. So let's better not enter into any of the trades. If this high is powerfully broken, is where we can expect a very good downward movement. Until then, we have no view towards the lower side. And also looking at the OI, we can see that call is trying to build up in 44,000. So that means it is going to further fall down, which means I'll do one thing. I'll go for a buy in 44,000 PE. Maybe once this candle sustains below, and then I'll average my position with another 500 quantities. First I'll take with I'll open the position with 300 or 400 quantities, then I'll average it with another 300 or 400 quantities if it is reversing. So yeah, that's the plan I have in mind for now. Also, there are chances that it can take a stop at this point and then move up also. So that is also a condition. So I'm not plotting all the lines here, but looking at the previous highs and lows, you will have an idea about where Bank Nifty is going to stop or take a break to make a further fall. So yeah, let's be very careful about it. Looking at the call OI is going to build up more is what I believe. So let's go for a buy in 44,000 PE with 400 quantities at market price. Let's go for a buy. So I have bought 44,000 PE at 302, and it's let's see. Looks like it is going to give a reversal from this point, or else maybe from this level itself it may give a reversal. So we'll have to be very careful about the position that we have here. So looking at we can see that call is dominating now, which means Bank Nifty is going to go further down itself. So the only condition that we have in mind is when Bank Nifty can make a move like this, or else Bank Nifty will move up to give a downfall, or else even it will go to a higher area and then it will further fall down. So I'm keeping my position open, and this is how my PNL looks like. It's better we have some upward movement so that we'll average our position in a good manner. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna buy in another 100 quantities, just adding it right from here. Even if it reverses, I have a certain stop loss, so I'll get out of my position likewise. So probably if this angles, it is going to go further up. So now yeah, we can average our position. Yes, we'll average it with 150 quantities, probably 100 quantities. We'll average it with 100 quantities. Yes. The first is at 302, the second is at 270. So I'm expecting a downward movement from here. So I'm averaging another 100 quantities. So I'm expecting a downward movement from here. So I'm expecting, So I'm expecting a downward movement from here, and that's why I'm going to average this with another 100 quantities. Yes. So I'm going to go average with another 100 quantities. Yeah, we have averaged with another 100 quantities. So as you can see here, the next buy price was 267. I was planning to get it at 255 to 256, but by the time it has spiked by almost 10 points, which is okay. But there is one another important condition that we have to think about. That is, since Bank Nifty moved up and it can come down to 44,000 and it may bounce to an upper side. So that is also one sketchy situation that we have to deal with. So I am planning to add another 300 quantities from here. Yes, so I've added this is my order list. As you can see, we have 900 quantities open and the average is 270. We are at 226 now, which means we need 43 more points for getting into a good profit. And Bank Nifty on breaking above this means we'll be in a huge loss, but it's okay. It's a manageable loss for me. So we'll see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. Probably I'm seeing a further upward movement, but still I wanted to average it here because anywhere below this we won't be able to capture the movement. So that's the idea. Very unlikely that Bank Nifty is taking support at this particular point since the last three candles. So this candle, and the current candle, these three candles are taking support at 44,069. Let's just go back and see what that level. Oh, right. So this area, which was like day before yesterday's high. So there is a slight modification in the trend line. So there is one trend line that starts from here. So this is another reason. So let me just delete all the trend lines. My chart looks very clumsy. So the saddest part about Bank Nifty is that it is not breaking the lows nor the highs. So this low is not broken. This low, and this low, and none of the lows are broken. Likewise, this high, three highs. These three highs are also not broken. So that means it is still in a very tight range, and only once this range is broken out is where we can expect a movement towards any of the sides. So this is how our PNL looks like right now. So our PNL has gone down to almost negative 10,000 or 9,000 before, but I haven't booked there because I'm sure Bank Nifty is going to come down, or else I'll keep the position open and I'll leave it like that till tomorrow or Monday, because I have the 8th June expiry contracts. I was waiting for Bank Nifty to break just one previous low. That means now this low has been broken. Even though this high, both of these highs are broken, but Bank Nifty has considerably come down from that level. But since this low is broken and this low is also broken, we can expect some bearishness in the market. That means maybe after retesting 44,100, Bank Nifty will fall down to 44,000 is what I believe is going to happen. So the premiums has gone up to almost 245, which is actually a good sign, I would say. So yeah, let's wait and see what is going to happen with it. Okay, so this trend line has started from day before yesterday's high or all-time high of Bank Nifty, and from there it has touched yesterday's high as well, and today's second half high is also being respected on this trend line. So what we can see is maybe a fall from this point, or else Bank Nifty moving up to 44,200 and then coming down. So I have kept my position open. So my position is open now. I'm just leaving it open, and I'll see if I'm squaring it off today, because if there is some bearishness in the market and if I see some good movements, then I'll square off my position and I'll let you know tomorrow. Otherwise, I'll carry this position forward and I will let you know what is going to happen. So I am very confident about the trade, because if tomorrow also if market is moving up, I'll average this one with another 900 or 1,800 quantities, and I'll average my position and I'll get out in a minimum loss or a good profit. So this is what I have in mind for the trade. So yeah, I think we will sum up the video for the day, and thanks for watching. And also we would like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos are for educational purposes. You can take this levels as a reference for your trade. And also, if Bank Nifty is moving up, then 44,200, 275 and 372 is the important resistances, and while coming down, 44,000 can act as a very good support for Bank Nifty. If that is broken, today is low, and then yesterday's low also will be a very good support for Bank Nifty. And the very important level that you have to look for is the trend line which has been respected from the previous few months. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind while trading in Bank Nifty. And also we have a complete stock market course which spans for 3 months. If you want to join, you can go to the link in the description and see the details, and also you can ping us through WhatsApp with the number mentioned in the description. So yeah, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.